Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Frt. Today I'm gonna show how to replace F150 seat belt retractor. This one is 19 F150. Drivers complains the seat belt does not retract or return is not correctly. Once the seat belt released you guys, seat belt should be returned and retracted all the way back. But this one is slowly back, also feeling binding internally, or maybe possible retractor spring so weak. I used the tool Starbit 45 and a 15 millimeter socket 3A and a pick tool and then a clip remover. Pull the front seat all the way forward and make a room to easy to access replaced A-pillar lower side and a seat belt retractor. Disconnect the battery for airbag disconnector. Next, remove those copper plate trim panels, front and back. This one is the front side. Once the insert the trim removal tool under the trim plate panel, then lift up the gently the back to the front, and then remove front side copper panel trim. And also back side, also same way, remove scuff trim as well. Using the pick tool or a flap screwdriver, and then remove pretensional bottom of the scale type pieces. That is located lower the B-pillar cover, and then once the remove, and then retain a rubber type cover, take that from the B-pillar lower cover. Next step, remove seat belt top side D-ring cover using the screwdriver, and then gently take that out D-ring cover, and then you guys access this D-ring T45 bolt. Next, remove weather strip on the front side, back side B-pillar. Gently grab a weather strip and then pull the away from the lower B-pillar door trim. Front side I did, and the back side also slightly pulled back and then put aside. You don't need to pull all the way away. So now it's B-pillar lower trim, attach the floor trim, and then take that out both side end, and then this B-pillar all the way pull the inside cabin. And now as I take that out, there are a couple of retainer and clips, and then gently B-pillar retainers out of the B-pillar. You guys see that the downside retractor, also this retractor wire goes through the out from the B-pillar slot, and then take that lower trim cover. Remove this D-ring bolt top of the B-pillar, and then lower two 15 millimeter mount bolt located, and also airbag related this explosive electric connector. There's two. Once to remove this electric connector, lift up the locking tab, orange color, and then wiggle out yellow this seat belt explosive connector from the seat belt retractor. And then also put aside this one, and then also downside one more, and then seat belt retractor and then connector. Sometimes come out, and then orange color this rocking retainer. Don't worry about that, and then return the back later. Then remove D-ring bolt is now. Remove downside two retractor to mount bolt, 50 millimeter. It can be separate, and then a retractor and then downside explosive device. Remove whole seat belt assembly. It's ready to install the new seat belt retractor. I found it much easy to separate bolt from the whole retractor, and then attach the top side D-ring slot first, and then now this one goes in slot first retractor, and then attach the downside bolt, and then mount to the 2-bolt, and the top side the leading bolt goes to 30 foot-pound. And then now put the back to the electric connector, and then reconnector, and then push down to the rocking tab. There's a 2 electric connector related to the airbag as a explosive connector. And then don't forget that this seat belt stopper and comes with from the new. And then now put the back to the B-pillar roller cover, and then weather strip, and then put the back to the pieces, plastic pieces, and then push down the rubber pieces. Thank you for watching.